at art school, I wasn't. It was more in line with what students were doing at the time, which was things with plates and wooden boxes, and very conceptual and minimal. And then when I left art school, I had done a little bit of experimentation with video at art school, and I thought about becoming a filmmaker. And I was thinking of applying to the National Film School. And I was really keen to work on documentaries. I can't remember exactly at what point that was, but I'd already done 5 years of art school and didn't really want to go back into some more education and lose what I'd gained at Goldsmiths, to Chelsea. So I started doing some videos. I was doing some vox pop with people on the street, asking them questions like why they like London. And they were just quite typical vox pop videos, and they didn't work at all. And then, by chance, I was thinking of maybe having a piece of paper and getting people to write down something. And it's one of those ideas I didn't know if it was good.
I'm interested in that. Come and spend the weekend. I was very naive, okay, this lady,